Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to clear Android app cache to free up storage space. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down through the menu list and tap directly on Apps, App Management, or Applications. Tap on See All Apps or Manage Apps to display the full list of applications installed on your phone. Scroll through the list and select the specific app that is taking up a lot of storage space, such as your web browser or social media apps. Inside the App Info menu page, tap on Storage and Cache, or Storage. Look for the option labeled Clear Cache and tap it once. Make sure you tap Clear Cache and not Clear Data or Clear Storage, as clearing data will reset your app settings and log you out. The temporary junk files and cached media will instantly drop to 0 bytes, freeing up space without affecting your personal account settings. Repeat this exact same process for any other storage-heavy apps on your device. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.